Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here, and today I'm going to show you how to change your pads and discs on the front of an Audi A4 B6. A couple of tools you're going to need is a ratchet with a 21mm, I believe it is, socket, a couple of extensions. Optional is WD-40 and a wire brush, you might need that to clean off some of the bolts. A caliper reset tool, again optional, is a breaker bar and a H7 bit. Now, and a screwdriver. Now, I know what you're probably all going to say is they don't need changing. For some reason, the other side needed changing, but I've obviously ordered them in pairs, so I'm going to change this side anyway, and it's also good to have a YouTube video on it. Firstly, you're going to have to undo these bolts slightly so they're loose whilst the car's down. Then you're just going to jack up the car, and then take the wheel off. Fairly simple stuff. Shouldn't have any issues with this. On this car particularly, it's a 17mm to undo these bolts. Now the wheel's off, you're going to take this titanium spring off. Simply just screwdriver comes off. Right, so once you've got the screwdriver off, you might as well take the electrical connector off. Simple, just get it out, screwdriver in there, you lift up that, it should just push off. Just keep that somewhere safe. And then with this, you lift that up and you rotate it round. It should come out. It's just it's quite hard to film with one hand, but yeah, bring that out. There we go. Rotate. Also, again, once you've got the screwdriver out, you might as well take these little things off. There's one there, and then there's one underneath as well. So yeah, that just come off from there. Another one here. Screwdriver in, out. Now that's been done, it's a good idea to rotate the wheels to the right or left, basically to free up the whole caliper, alright? So I'm going to rotate these to the right, and then it should give me all access to these two bolts around here, and then the further two 21mm, which is here and underneath there. Yeah, H7. It's just going to go inside here, and then we're just going to undo them. Repeat the process on this one down here. So a bit of a wrestle. Once the bolts are out, where you can see they are there and there, should pull it out. One of them, when the electrical connectors got a little like retaining clip thing. So that will stay stuck in the caliper piston itself, and the other one should just stay there, and then that just yeah, slides out. Then you either hang it up, or I just tend to rest it on there, just so you're not putting any strain on any of the cables. As you can see, there's no strain. Then what we're going to do is undo these two 19mm and wrong 21mm bolts. So a bit minging. But yeah, we'll just undo them. It's like a bit of grease, however. Looking at the boot itself, it's in good nick. So yeah, don't know what's wrong with that. Particularly, maybe it's just residual grease from previous owner. But yeah, we'll start undoing these now. Right, so at this point, you're just going to slide this off. Get rid of that. So some people would put the disc on at this point. However, whilst we've got lots of space, use the caliper reset tool. Essentially all this does is it goes in, you screw it up. You might need a brake pad as well, give you a bit more space, but however, I'll set the tool up in a minute. Crank it up and then reset the caliper to its original position. Luckily for you, on the front it's always easier than on the back. Right, that's the tool set up, and all you're going to do is twist this right tighty until this closes all the way in. So that's the new brake disc on. Obviously try and keep it as clean as possible. Now we're going to put caliper holder on with the two 21mm bolts. Again, all it is, it's just there and there, simple as. But you need to make sure that you definitely put this disc on before you put that back on. Otherwise, you're just going to have to take it off again. So two brake pads. This one goes on the outside. This one with the electrical connector and the clips go on the inside. So you clip this into the caliper first, and then you basically place this one on there, but I'll show you now anyway. now all you're going to do is just place the caliper over here. So once you've done up this one and this one, then all you're going to do is start doing up the electrical connectors. Again, same reverse order. They just slip into there, and then they go in and slide round. All you've got to do is refit these two, refit that, and then job done. So thanks very much for watching. If you've got any questions, please make sure you ask in the comment section. It'd be really helpful if you like and subscribe. I'll be doing more videos on the Audi A4 B6. So yeah, have a nice day and good luck.